This week, the U.S. Treasury Department auctioned $13 billion in 30-year bonds at a yield slightly over 3%, causing bonds to move to their highest level in the past month. Investors remain cautious ahead of the Fed's policy meeting next week. Now let's take a look and see how the major indices closed on the week. The Dow closed down just under 1% for the week to settle at 16,988. The Nasdaq lost over 0.25%, closing at 4568. And the S&P 500 fell just slightly over 1%, ending at 1986. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba Holding Group kicked off its 2-week IPO marketing blitz this week. Alibaba is seeking to raise more than $21 billion in an initial public offering that will value the company at up to $163 billion. This would be the largest ever technology debut in the United States. Alibaba accounts for about 80% of all online retail sales in China. They are expecting to launch their IPO on September 19th. They anticipate the share price to open between $60 to $66 per share. Wall Street traders say the new Apple iWatch was a disappointment when Apple introduced it earlier this week, along with 2 new iPhone 6 models. Pacific Crest Securities downgraded its view on Apple to perform from outperform, citing stagnant iPhone growth and lack of compelling features on the watch. The investment bank said that they believe Apple's strong customer loyalty will protect profitability while limiting downside of the shares. The pricey watch will set you back $349. Apple closed up nearly 2.5% this week, closing at $101 a share. That's your market wrap up for the week. I'm Bruce Hearon. Have a nice weekend.